Get this. What's up, everybody? It's Tokyo Sessions. I'm going to run through some charts real quick, what to expect. All right. So ultimately, this is the weekly chart on tradingeconomics.com. What we see right now is the US dollar has gained momentum for this week, just like how I expected. And so what I'm looking for two key price targets would be the 91 and the 92 price. Hits that, then it'll be a strong buy for the next couple weeks. Reason being is because the dollar has been oversold. If you look at the monthly chart, it's been down. You can see the support that's been built here on the monthly chart coming right back up here. The ultimate price to hit would be 96 here on the monthly. Overall, on the daily, it is stumbling at the 90.2 here on Trading Economics. So far, the one that has dropped the most right here on the percentage is New Zealand USD. So if we look at New Zealand USD, there was some heavy news against the RBNZ and interest rate decision. This is here on the 4-hour. A lot of bad news, and the Bank of New Zealand does not want a higher currency value. So they are going to send it right back down against the dollar here. The second one that I'm going to be selling for the rest of the whole month would be the Australia, New Zealand, and I already showed. Australia USD, which means like I said, I was showing on the weekly chart here, and how. Let me show the Bollinger Bands here. And how that this would be a strong red candle coming right down to 77. And then overall, I'd be looking to take profit at 0.75 at this support here, the weekly support here. These two candles here at the end of the month, because I'm expecting the US dollar to keep rising. Tax season is coming up, so I expect great stuff for the US dollar during tax season. USD JPY stumbling along with the other yen pairs, like GBP JPY went on a sell, Euro JPY went on a sell, Australia JPY went on a sell. I'll show you guys all the yen pairs here. What you can see is that Australia JPY is down. Now, let me show you guys the daily here. That's been down. Euro JPY has all the way been down to 134.0 already this is on the daily chart. GBP JPY back down to 151 after hitting all the way back up to like 155 here. Pretty much hit 156, but it's all the way back down to 151. NZD JPY is down as well. CAD JPY still down at the 87 price. Swiss franc JPY is probably only a little bit bullish, but other than that, not a whole lot going on. And so I'm not really messing around with the yen pairs unless you're selling it. Gold is down. Like I said, I was expecting gold on the weekly chart to actually come down back to 1,300 for this week. At least close to 1,300. It's only $15 away, so it's not a whole lot far away. So that way you can see where exactly it's headed. Gotta project long term here. The euro, if I show you guys the weekly chart here, on euro, you can see the amount of resistance that's already been created. You can see it's been outside these bands for some time already, and it's coming right back down. Oscillators pushing back down, making this strong angle, 90-degree angle here going down. So what I'm expecting is to come back to break the 122 price and come down to like 121.3. This is the moving average here, so don't get confused. So they at least touch this moving average. And then we can see here on the 4-hour, this is a strong downtrend. Candles are still below the moving average and the middle band. So don't fall for the oversold conditions. We can see that the support level is built at 122.6, but I am still going long-term sell on this. The pound does have major news for the pound has major news for the BOE, Bank of England, their interest rate decision, and also the monetary policy summary, which is those are the two biggest things to pay attention to, especially 6 in the morning Central Time for me. So that's also pretty crucial here. More than likely, they probably spike the pound back up. So I would be heavily focused on the pound in the morning. Bitcoin is suffering. Lowest price I seen was 5.9 down here, 5.9 here on the daily here, 5.9. It did go back to 8,400, but it can't stay above 8,400. So something to look at on the highest price of the day, which is 8,400, and the lowest price so far for this week is 5,900. So a price, there's 2 price points to bounce off of, in the lowest and the highest, to make sure if whatever breaks that support price and the resistance price, that you have something to fall back to in case if prices are moving up or down. Well, we will be seeing a tight range right now, not a whole lot until later on, until the Asian sessions pick up.